Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to unveil the juiciest secrets for those looking to shed those extra pounds, the best fruits for weight loss. Get ready to discover nature's sweetest allies in your journey towards a healthier you. So, grab a fruit salad, and let's dive into this delectable and nutritious journey. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of fruits that support weight loss, understanding the scientific reasons behind their benefits, as well as their impact on satiety, metabolism, and appetite regulation. In the constant pursuit of a healthy lifestyle, weight loss has become a goal shared by many people around the world. Obesity is a serious public health problem that affects worldwide today. It is defined as an excessive accumulation of body fat, and has become an epidemic affecting people of all ages, genders and socio-economic groups. The obesity rate has increased alarmingly in recent decades. According to the World Health Organization Health Impact, obesity is associated with a number of serious health problems, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, certain cancers, and musculoskeletal disorders. It can also have a negative impact on mental health and quality of life. It is the result of a combination of genetic, environmental and behavioral factors. Increased consumption of high-calorie, nutrient-poor foods, sedentary lifestyle, changes in eating patterns and lack of physical activity are key factors contributing to the problem. Among the many strategies to achieve weight loss, the incorporation of fruits in the diet has proven to be an effective and delicious option. Fruits not only offer a wide range of essential nutrients, but some of them stand out for their specific properties that can favor the slimming process. Apples. Apples are an excellent choice for those who want to lose weight due to their high fiber content. Fiber helps keep us satiated longer, thus reducing excessive calorie consumption between meals. In addition, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings for sugary or unhealthy foods. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Berries are low in calories and high in antioxidants. These fruits contain anthocyanins, which can boost metabolism and help burn fat. They also have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they release blood sugar more slowly, which helps control appetite and energy levels. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are well known for their ability to aid in weight loss. They are rich in vitamin C and contain compounds that can reduce insulin resistance and regulate blood sugar. In addition, some studies suggest that grapefruit may suppress appetite and promote fat burning. Kiwis. Kiwis are low-calorie, high-fiber fruits, making them an excellent choice for controlling hunger and improving digestion. They are also a significant source of vitamin C, which can help burn fat during exercise and improve metabolism. Watermelon. Watermelon is refreshing and has a high water content, which makes it a great option to keep us hydrated while trying to lose weight. In addition, its lycopene content can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Lemons. Lemons are a citrus fruit rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Drinking lemon water can help detoxify the body, increase feelings of fullness and improve digestion, which can promote weight loss. Pears. Pears are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an ideal choice for controlling hunger and maintaining good digestive health. Fiber can also help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. Oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C and fiber, which makes them useful for burning fat and improving metabolic function. They also have a low glycemic index, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent insulin spikes. The smart combination of fruits can boost their benefits and help us achieve our weight loss goals more effectively. Here are some ideas on how to combine the above fruits to get the most out of their properties. Assorted fruit salad. Prepare a colorful fruit salad that includes apples, berries, kiwis, pears and oranges. The combination of these fruits rich in fiber and antioxidants will help control appetite, stabilize blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Fat-burning smoothie. Mix in a blender some strawberries, blueberries, kiwis and a little watermelon. Add a touch of lemon to enhance its flavor and detoxifying properties. This smoothie will not only be refreshing and delicious, but it will also help speed up metabolism and burn fat. Apple slices with grapefruit. Cut apple slices and accompany them with grapefruit segments. The combination of apple fiber and fat-burning compounds in grapefruit will make this a satiating and beneficial option for weight management. Fruit skewers with lemon. Insert pieces of kiwi, strawberries and watermelon into sticks to make skewers. Drizzle some lemon juice on top to enhance the flavors and get the added detoxification benefits that lemon offers. Berry and pear smoothie. Combine berries with pears in a healthy smoothie. Add a little water or low-fat yogurt and blend everything until you get a homogeneous mixture. This combination rich in fiber and antioxidants will help you feel full longer and fight free radicals. Importantly, although fruit combining can be beneficial, it is essential to maintain a balanced approach to the overall diet. Fruits are only one part of an effective weight loss plan. Be sure to also include lean proteins, healthy fats, and other food groups for complete and balanced nutrition. In summary, these fruits are beneficial for weight loss due to their high fiber content, their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, their low caloric content, and their ability to increase feelings of satiety. However, it is important to remember that no fruit acts as a magic bullet for weight loss. A balanced diet and an active lifestyle are critical to achieving sustainable and healthy weight loss. And there you have it, a mouth-watering guide to the best fruits for weight loss, each bite taking you closer to your health goals. Armed with this fruity knowledge, you can now make delicious, nutritious choices on your weight loss journey. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow health enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so drop your questions and fruit-based experiences in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights on nutrition, wellness, and achieving your health goals. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey to discover the best fruits for weight loss. Remember, just like these fruits help you shed those pounds, knowledge empowers you on your path to a healthy lifestyle. Stay curious and keep savoring the sweetness of life.